What's going on, guys? It is January the 16th, and well, Tennessee had a little bit of a snowstorm, as you can tell. But when we got out the house, I want to go to the gym. So we got the bottom of the dust mop, and we're finna go out here and see if we can get the car snow off of it and get to the gym. I'll turn the camera around. So yeah, this is the aftermath. It snowed, I'll say about a day, with just pure snow. I think we got about 5 or 6 inches down here, which is really, really big for us down here. But yeah, it's covered. So let's get this all off of here so we can get to the gym. We out here, we gonna try to make it. I think we got it though, but the main roads should be pretty clear, but these side roads are still pretty bad. But let's get there. Nice and slow. We finally made it to the gym. As you can tell, yes, the winter apocalypse of 2024 is upon us in Nashville, but it's all good. So let's get in here. We got arms today. So let's just have fun. I've been in the house for the last 2 days because of all this mess. So I'm super excited to be out the house. Better yet, finally back at the gym. So I got so much energy built up inside, so much excitement. So let's get in here, put some work in, and as always, I'm gonna bring you guys along. So let's get into it, man. Hey, I don't care if the weather is bad. If you can drive safely, get your butt to the gym. If somebody's always working to take your position, what you gonna do about it? Let's go. Yeah. Oh, listen, I cannot be the only person that is excited to finally be back in the gym after this winter apocalypse, because boy, I'm done with this. Like, the snow was dope the first day. The second day was kind of cool, but I'm over it by this time. Snowed in the first day, just mad, you know, so I'm sorry, I missed the gym, y'all. So if you have the same passion, you can understand the gym was more than just like a place to work out, but you know, just get a lot of energy out and put some work in. But we got arms today, as you can't tell. We're gonna do some a little crazy workout again. We definitely got drop sets again, but we're gonna be doing 3 sets on the tricep cable push down machine. We're gonna do 30 drop sets, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5 as far as the reps. We're gonna do this exactly for 3 sets. So yeah, it's a lot, but you know, you got this. And once again, every time you go down the reps, you wanna make sure you up the weight by 5 pounds if you can. Most cable machines increase by 5 pounds. So that's the goal if you can do that. But let's get it. This is already my 3rd set, and yeah, they're burning. But we got 25 this time, so let's knock it out. All right, guys, so we have our next one. We're gonna be doing overhead triceps with the cables, cable machine still. Once again, we still be doing some high reps. We're gonna be doing 30, 25, 20, 10, 20, 15, 10, all the way down to 5. We got 3 sets of those. So yeah, buckle in, let's kind of get to work. But one of the reasons, I'm gonna talk you through this one of the reasons why we're doing high reps this week, pretty much is just to exhaust the muscle as much as possible without just using simply heavy weights. I know these sound like a bunch of reps. We're not going super heavy, but slow and control, and I promise you, your triceps are going to be screaming. They are going to be absolutely screaming, but let's just get to work. Let's put the work in and get the results. All right, 10 more, let's go. And then we're gonna jump back into it. But while we break, let's get a dance session in. You gotta make sure you keep the energy up, man. Listen, I know everybody comes to the gym and wanna be super serious. Nah, listen, we can be serious in our life and everything else we do, man. Have fun in the moments you wanna have fun. If everything you look retarded in the gym because you wanna dance to your music in the ear, by all means, do your dance. Do not worry about no one else. Because I promise you, they over there living life boring and all serious every day. Nah, we ain't doing that. But let's jump right back into the next one. We got 25 reps this time, slow and control. Let's go, let's go.
Moving to a load, the pattern. Who ain't with the shit? Got a bullet loaded, excited. Smoking with XP. Shawty said she love it, she be fried. I don't listen to a thing, I hope it's sad, I hope it's lying. Yeah. I just take a type of acid on my phone call. My itinerary, tell me where we go tomorrow. You got brand new diamond choker for that hoe and broad. Nigga. I just took a type of acid on my phone call. My itinerary, tell me where we go tomorrow. You got brand new diamond choker for that hoe and broad. Nigga.
Y'all, let's get it. We have the next exercise. We're gonna do a bicep on the preacher machine. Still going for high reps. So we're gonna make sure we hit this 3 for 20. But the kicker is you only have 1 minute and 30 seconds in between each set. So we're going for reps and strength endurance. Let's get it. Make sure you do nice, slow, and control. And make sure you squeeze the top. 10 more. All right, so we have our next bicep exercise. Once again, I know you're probably tired right now. We still got to stay in there and stay strong, but we're going to do some hammer curls. And we're going to do 20 on each arm. Once again, get you a nice weight. We're not trying to lift as much weight as you possibly can, but really want to pump a lot of blood in that thing. So we got 20 for each arm, and we got that for 3 sets. And then once again, you only got a minute and a half of rest in between. So it's not like you got 3 to 5 minutes of rest. No, we're trying to pump a lot of blood in there and work on that strength endurance. So keep it nice and tight. Let's go, let's go. We got about 8 more. Let's go. You got this, guys. All right, let's get it. So once again, we're not going up in weight. It's just a minute and a half of rest, and then you jump right back into the next set. So strength, endurance, and high reps. Let's go.